One thing else that's inspiring is you're here bright and early with me, hanging out over there, tearing it up with the, Storm 5 alert.
Happening over there.
Yeah, so does it look like, right now it's so calm.
It is so calm, almost eerie outside, isn't it?
Yeah,
and
that's what I thought. It's kind of calm and warm.
Very warm and humid. I mean, yesterday temperatures were a step up from the previous day. We did it again today. Most of us are starting in the 70s. So I mean, well above where we should be.
That sets the stage for what's going to happen,
It's some of the ingredients that we need for the potential for severe weather, and that's exactly what we are looking at. So we haven't really had this type or this mode of severe weather in just a bit. So some friendly reminders: tidy up around your house. That's going to be one of the best things you can do. I'm talking about the yard. Do you have any lawn care items out there? Bring them on in. Do you have any toys? I mean, we all got toys. If you've got children, they're everywhere, and sometimes that does mean you've got to take that extra precaution. When it comes to your front porch, do you have any decor that could end up flying around? That's going to be something to do. And also communicate with your friends, your family, and your neighbors. Go ahead and have that plan in place. I mean, if you're like me, you've got young children, talk about it first, because then they feel empowered if in the event something does go down. So we're going to continue to keep you updated. This is a low impact severe event. I'm not looking at a major widespread situation. Now, do we look to have some severe thunderstorms? Yes. Are they going to produce some damaging wind gusts? Yes. What about the severe threat as far as tornadic activity? I can't quite rule that out. So go ahead and have the plan in place, but this is never to strike fear. This is to let you know what I'm seeing, so we're on the same page and we know how to plan our day. Current temperature, though, as Nick pointed out, it is very warm. 72 degrees here in Music City. This is outside of our Donaldson Skycam, also coming in at 72 this morning. We do have some showers being picked up on the Power of 5 radars closer into Sugar Hill. I just love saying Sugar Hill. Y'all got some showers with you right now, as well as into Linden, Hole and Wall. Not picking up any lightning with this. This is not part of the severe potential. That severe potential is to our north and off to the west. And let me tell you, it has been rowdy, to say the least, for so many of those across the U.S. By the time it gets to us, that threat will not be as intense, which is a true praise report, but it will be a lot colder on the flip side. I mean, look at this. We're waking up upper 60s and 70s. Kansas City now at 46, and that cold air is what's going to move in. So when you're dealing with such a large change, obviously the threat for severe weather. Temperatures right now, I mean, we're all in the upper 60s and 70s. Dew points are there too. That's why it feels so sticky, and that's an ingredient when it comes to the potential for severe activity. Winds right now are quite breezy out of our south. We've got some gusts near Murray, 21 miles per hour. Then you head into McMinnville, your gust is around 17. That southerly flow will continue to fuel our atmosphere. But here's some good news. We've got those showers out there right now. We also have some cloud cover. We want to keep the clouds as long as possible. And because things have sped up, that is looking to be to our advantage. So we've got those scattered showers out there right now. As we get closer into 10 o'clock, still looking to have some scattered activity. Again, that's not looking to be the severe part. As we make our way into lunchtime, if we can continue to get that band out there fast, that's going to limit the sunshine that we do have. So that will be helpful. Now, we're still going to have a lot of wind. We're still going to have some rain. It's coming in 2 bands. This first one, areas west of I-65. So Clarksville, Dixon, Holmwald, Camden, Hopkinsville, Paris. I'm talking to y'all. Y'all are going to see this first, showers and thunderstorms. And look how unorganized it is. It just doesn't really have its act together. Now, we're going to have some heavier bands as we make our way down along the Alabama-Tennessee state line, so closer into Lawrence, Wayne, Giles County. I look for y'all to have the most amount of rain. Some of you could have upwards of 1 inch to 1.5 inches. The rest of us closer to that ½ inch mark. And then you'll notice how these bands continue to fall in line and move through. That's going to be the end of the cold front, and things will look to exit overnight. But as we make our way overnight, that severe threat does decrease. Tomorrow morning, a few showers to start off across the plateau. When it comes to that threat, remember, main concern, damaging wind gusts. And this looks to be more of a daytime, early evening event, which is helpful when it comes to the overnight issues. High wind, though, is going to be something truly to monitor, and that potential for flooding down to our south. Your 7-day forecast, highs today, 80 degrees. Tomorrow, waking up in the 30s, by the afternoon, 54. Notice another cold front comes in Sunday. And yes, Monday, Tuesday, I mean, we could see a few flakes flying, I'm not going to lie. But we'll worry about that later. Okay, let's focus on today.